Here I have bread, egg, butter, and brown sugar and vanilla milk. So today I'm making French toast and sunny side egg. So I'll whisk the egg first with the fork so that the yolk will be mixed together with the egg whites. So now I'm going to use the whisker to whisk it properly so that everything will be mixed very well. Then now I add my brown sugar in my flat plate. Then I add my vanilla milk into the brown sugar and mix properly. So you have to mix it very well. So now I'm going to add my egg into the mixture. Make sure they're all mixed properly. So what I did now, turn on my stove and I add my butter to it. So I get the bread and put inside the mixture, the creamy mixture. Then I use the fork to poke it. Then I put it on the fry pan. So I put another bread on the cream again. I turn it, flip it over, and use the fork to poke it so that the sauce will get in it. So I put it in the fry pan again and let it cook for like a minute. Then I checked. If the back is golden brown, that's when you know that it's ready. And make sure you are using a low heat, not a high heat. So now that is ready because it's golden brown. You can see that. This is how you want your French toast to look like. So I'm going to flip the other one now. So right now, I'm turning it again for you to see that is good to go. It is ready. I have my secret flavor and ingredient that I add to it. If you want it, just comment on the comment section below. Then I'll give it to you. That's what makes it a French toast. So now I'm making the sunny top side egg. I already add my butter to the pan and I crack the egg gently to the pan. You don't want the shell to touch the yolk because once the shell of the egg touch the yolk, it spread the yolks around. So you just have to be very gently when you do that. So I'll just sprinkle a little bit of salt on just a pinch. Then you see now I flip it because I don't want the yolk to spread around. So this is how I do it. This is how I served my fresh toast and my sunny side top egg with fruits. And there you have your breakfast.